Meet the professional SMT Splice Tool Scissors your electronics workshop has been missing. With their sleek yellow and blue ergonomic handles and precision stainless steel blades, these specialized cutters deliver clean, accurate cuts every time. Designed specifically for splicing component reels and carrier tapes in SMT manufacturing. They feel comfortable in your hand during extended work sessions while maintaining perfect control. Experience that satisfying clean cut through tapes and materials without fraying or damaging delicate components. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options for your workspace. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more professional tool discoveries and expert reviews. Key features include stainless steel construction, spring return mechanism, anti-slip handles, and specialized blade design for SMT applications.